Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Looms Hopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan Ramangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Usembut Menteri Rangba Jong ke Sorkar jela ubak Preston Tensong menta kesengi ke arpuh nyotrik ubna yeyong arajar arpuway ula aiksai ba ke Sorkar kala aban Pynjari no de ke lockdown ne ke jingkang kerdep ye ke jela barok kaway lada ke jingpang kelam covid khat kendai kala nanglen shop teng hakani ke jela Meghalaya barok kaway hakini kesengi ke bansawan. Habaya keren bat kilat pathai kubor ubak Preston ula ong ba ke Sorkar jela kan sasyong ye ke review meeting haka arpu pratrik ubna yeyong arajar arpuway bat hangne an ya theria tai sani bha laki idon kam ne em ya ke Sorkar ban shim ye ke negarai kat hadu ban dahap ban Pynjari de ke lockdown haka jela barok kaway.
Lasang inon review meeting is posted. Once the review meeting is completed, I will come back to you tomorrow. We will have a detailed press briefing after the review meeting. But the review meeting will start at 10:30 in the cabinet room. Well, let us see. That's what I'm saying. Because now the situation is very, very great. As I've just mentioned to you, even few citizens, they enjoy cheating themselves. They enjoy cheating the entry gate. So what else should I tell you? Ultimately, if the situation compel, there is no way out. We have to go for lockdown. As I said to you, see, now I'm just telling you right now, see, once we take a decision, we will come out with all the details. Right now, I don't say anything. You wait till tomorrow, as I said, because we are having a review meeting, and then we will brief you all the details.
Usembut Menteri Rangba Jong ke Sorkar jela ubak Preston Tensong menta kesengi ke arpuh nyotrik ubna yeyong arajar arpuway ula ong baki nugi bre ki ba syuai di ki jingtip ki ba lamler hake entry point tang ban yorung sapok kini ke jela Meghalaya ki dai ki runar lani ki reusneu. Habaya keren bat gelat pathai kubor ubak Preston ula kentu yi ki patba baki dai ban don lem ya ke jingkit kle namar baki kam syukor ki la ban nang pensneu syusuk ye ke jinglong jingman jong ke jela kam tam hakum gani kapor baka klam jingpang covid khat kendai kalawan lenshop teng hagani ka sin ka baar hapo ka jela Meghalaya.
Some of the positive cases, they disappeared. Means they have given us wrong telephone number, mobile number, maybe their wrong address. But my message to such people is this: you are a criminal. Means you committed a big mistake, and by your furnishing false statement in the entry point, that itself tantamount to be cheating. And see, we can't just play with the pandemic. Pandemic is pandemic. So I would like to tell all of them, wherever you are, those who submitted the false particulars statement, stay wherever you are. Don't mix around, and please isolate yourself. And please, again, after 10 days, go back to the testing center to make sure that, okay, you become negative, because this is very important. And they cannot play like this. I'm telling you, don't act irresponsibly. And please nobody can blame the government also. Now we have to blame the individual. In fact, it is their duty to furnish us the details, the factual particulars. Not that we insist because of something else. We insisting this for their safety, for the family safety, for the community safety also. So that is very important. So the message is very clear. Don't do it again. Please don't repeat this kind of things. Mischief has been done, but please make sure now on. I request all the concerned persons coming into our state to declare your statement rightly, so that our team of health workers can trace you out easily, can inquire from you on a regular basis. How is your health? whether you have temperature, whether you have coughing, you have this problem or that problem. I think that is very important. See, from the entry point, we have done it, everything. That's what I'm telling you again, once again. Out of 100, maybe 1%, he's a cheater. And how do you expect our staff who man the entry point can't verify when we ask the question, what is your phone number? They given the phone number. When we ask, where do you stay? They told us, I'm staying here. The address, everything is there. So we don't have much time. I'm telling you, we don't have much time. And please don't see these kind of things I'm telling you. I would like to tell you, to appeal to everyone, act responsibly. Because your mischief, your misdeed, it may lead to further deterioration of the situation. In this situation, irrespective of whether you government officials, you are ministers, you are MLA, you are everybody, but you are subjected to pass through that entry point. We have made it very, very clear, strict, that everyone has to follow the protocols and you have to come via the entry point. Not only government official, I'm telling you, to everybody, act responsibly, that's what I'm saying. Please act responsibly. Be it officials, be it non-officials, be it anybody, we are all concerned about the spread of the COVID-19.